Hey there, YouTube. It's Asset Builder. Just want to put a very quick video here together on the topic of Deutsche Bank in Germany and its troubles. So we've all kind of heard about how it's struggling and it's lent out a bunch of money to the oil patch, and there's been a lot of bankruptcies in the oil patch, so it's really suffering from the weight of those bad loans. And over the last year, Deutsche Bank stock has not done very well. So this is today's closing. This is September 30th. It was actually up $1.61. So to close at 1309. Now, believe me, 1309 is not a good number. It is way, way, way down from a year ago, way down from pre '08 financial crisis levels. So, what caused it to spike up today? Well, basically, there's a rumor, and basically that's all it is right now, that it's settling its lawsuit and liability that the U.S. regulators imposed on the bank a couple of weeks ago. So, a couple of weeks ago, the regulators fined the bank $14 billion. That is billion with a B, and for its packaging of mortgage securities back in '08, '09. So all the banks across the board around the world have been fined. Deutsche Bank is just the latest one, and it was just really at a very, very bad time for Deutsche Bank. Its stock was already hit pretty hard, and that news really drove it way, way down. So today's rumor is that they're settling that $14 billion fine for about less than half, like 5.4 billion. So not sure that that's a good number anyway. At current stock price, the capitalization for this bank is at $16 billion. That's its cap, and to be fined 5.4, that's a big, big chunk of the bank gone, and it doesn't have the cash to pay it out anyway, and nor could it raise the funds in the open market. So the trouble that the banks then get has is that even though it may settle for a smaller number, it still has no means to pay it. So Angela Merkel in Germany earlier on in the week has indicated that Germany has no appetite for bailing out the bank, and therefore this bank is in serious trouble. This is one of the world's largest banks. This bank failing will cause a significant ripple effect across the banking industry around the world, and will bring down a lot of other institutions down with it. So this is a very, very problematic bank. It's introducing significant risks to the financial markets, and it's actually impacting the American stock markets and the European stock markets. Basically they're reacting to news around Deutsche Bank. So keep your eyes and ears open, but I'm going to show you a couple more charts. So just to show you, this is the 1 year chart being loaded. So look, about a year ago it was at around 30. So it's now today at 13. 5 years ago at 55 was its peak, or 52. And if we do a max, you will see that pre '08 it was at $160, and today it's less than a third, less than a tenth of the market value back in '08, '09. So this bank is in serious trouble. This stock price is reflective of the fact that this bank is in serious trouble. What I like to do is keep my assets not in the banking industry, not in any financial institution, because any one of these guys could go down, especially if Deutsche Bank goes down and takes down a bunch of its peers along with it. Whatever savings you have in the bank could be wiped out, and quite frankly, even though they may be insured by federal governments, I'd just rather have my assets where I can hold them in my hand. So I like to invest in gold and silver, and have the physical asset where I can grab it in my hand as opposed to having paper representations of gold and silver. So thank you very much, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below, send me your feedback on Deutsche Bank and what you think is going on, what you think its future looks like. So please send me your comments, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Plenty of other videos that show my silver stack and silver coin hoards that I've been accumulating over time. Thank you.